क्या इंडिया जीत पाएगी या फिर हम हारेंगे? 3 lions are coming to town all ready to play. Hi friends, I'm Garvit and 3 lions, which is England, are coming to India to play a test series and a limited over series as well. But first, let's talk about the tests. So, its series is starting today. So, we'll be discussing all the key battles and all the players to watch out for and the predicted playing 11s and the main thing, that is the prediction. So the first test is at Chennai. The pitch is not a typical Madras pitch, but still it's slow, it's dry, it's turning, it has cracks, it has help for spinners. If it's turning, if it's slow, if it's dry, then why did I say that it's not a typical Madras pitch? Because some grass is being put on. Most probably, it's coming from the reports, sources that some grass has been put on the pitch. और ये थोड़ा सा सही भी है ये. अगर आप बिल्कुल उसको फ्लैट रहने देंगे और उस पर घास नहीं डालेंगे तो मतलब स्पिनर्स डोमिनेटेड गेम हो जाएगी और टीम्स 100 तक भी मुश्किल तक पहुंच पाएंगी. आईपीएल में होता है ये, 100 पर भी नहीं पहुंच पाती टीम जब खेलती हैं चेन्नई के खिलाफ. जब चेन्नई के पास होते हैं इमरान ताहिर, रविंद्र जडेजा, पहले रविचंद्रन अश्विन भी होते थे. तो जी एक अच्छा इनिशिएटिव है, थोड़ी सी घास डाली है. इट वुड बी नाइस फॉर क्रिकेट. पर ये ना करें कि बहुत ज़्यादा घास डाल दें. उनके पास 3 बहुत बढ़िया वर्ल्ड क्लास पेसर हैं, परेशान कर देंगे. विन द टॉस एंड बैट फर्स्ट, बिकॉज as the game moves on, pitch would get slower and slower and drier and would get difficult for batting as the cracks would be opening. इंडिया में एक चीज़ होती है कि फुट मार्क्स बहुत जल्दी आ जाते हैं, स्पेशली चेन्नई जैसी पिचेस पे, तो उससे भी थोड़ा सा बच कर रहे. नाउ लेट्स डिस्कस द प्लेइंग 11s. फर्स्ट द इंडियन टीम, they would be opening with Rohit Sharma at one side and partnering him would be young and talented batsman Shubman Gill. So Rohit Sharma is Ro Super Hit Sharma, and when it comes at home, he is Ro Super Duper Hit Sharma because he makes hundreds, he makes double hundreds. उनका घर पे कोई सानी नहीं है जी. शुभमन गिल हैज बीन इन ब्रिलियंट फॉर्म, जीते सबके दिल ऑस्ट्रेलिया में. मयंक अग्रवाल वाज अनदर कंसिडरेशन, बट ड्यू टू हिज करंट फॉर्म आई हैव बॉट शुभमन गिल इन. 3, 4, 5 पुजारा, कोहली, रहाणे, नो डाउट. 6, Rishabh Pant, wicketkeeper. After his heroics in the Gaba and the Sydney Test match, he'll surely be there. He's playing spin well, played Nathan Lyon really well in his den. He can be a nice aspect for the team. Keeping में थोड़े से सवाल हैं, but he'll be the keeper of my team. I like to play with 5 bowlers. At 7 I'll have Akshar Patel, क्योंकि मेरे पास जो दूसरे 2 स्पिनर्स हैं वो हैं एक तरफ रविचंद्रन अश्विन और दूसरे हैं कुलदीप यादव. तो जी कुलदीप यादव भी अपनी चाइनामैन से गेंद को राइट हैंडेड बल्लेबाज के अंदर लाते हैं और अश्विन भी अपनी ऑफ स्पिन से राइट हैंडेड बल्लेबाज को अंदर ही लाते हैं. तो एक जडेजा की लाइक टू लाइक तो नहीं, बट एक मैचिंग रिप्लेसमेंट जो गेंद को बाहर ले जाए, थोड़ी बल्लेबाजी कर सके नंबर 7 पर. तो इसीलिए मैं अक्षर पटेल को लाया हूँ अपनी टीम में. प्लस काउंटी खेले हुए हैं तो इंग्लैंड प्लेयर्स को जानते हैं, उनके साथ खेले हैं, उनके एटमॉस्फेयर में रहे हैं. जसप्रीत बुमराह was the leader of the pack in Australia, but is playing his first test match in India, so will be a supporting to Ishant Sharma, who is experienced and has played in India. Now let's move on to England's 11. Opening at England, I have Rory Joseph Burns alongside Dominic Sibley. I would have had Zach Crawley instead of Dominic Sibley, but he injured his finger. He played spin better than Dom in Sri Lanka. At 3, I would have someone out of Dan Lawrence or the returning Oli Pope. Oli Pope has played against India, but that was in England. A different story out here. I think Dan Lawrence plays spin better, so he'll be in my middle order. At 4, I'll have their captain Joe Root, who is in tremendous form right now. Played nice against Sri Lanka. At 5, I'll have Ben Stokes. At 6, I'll have Josh Butler, who is the wicketkeeper. And at 7, I'll have Moeen Ali. Moeen Ali can prove to be a really nice player out here. He bowls spin. ही बैट्स रियली वेल, और इंडिया में उन प्लेयर को बहुत ज़्यादा तवज्जो दिया जाता है जो आपकी टीम में एक बल्लेबाज के तौर पर भी आ सकते हैं और एक गेंदबाज के तौर पे भी आ सकते हैं। जैसे इंडिया में अश्विन है, अश्विन मोइन अली से बेहतर गेंदबाज है, तो मोइन अली अश्विन से बेहतर बल्लेबाज है। सो दैट कुड बी अ नाइस टाइट कॉन्टेस्ट. At 8, I'm having their main and primary spinner, that is Jack Leach. At 9, I'll have Tom Bess according to conditions, but the captain Joe Root prefers pace, so he'll have Stuart Broad. At 10, Jofra Archer. He'll be the key player, one of the key players for England. And at 11, there'll be no more conditions apply, James Anderson. Now let's talk about the players to watch out for. First one, Shubman Gill has come out of brilliant and fantastic series against Australia. Fans will have expectations from him, and let's see how he performs on turning pitches in India. Second, from England, Rory Burns. He's an opener, really nice batsman, performed nice in the Ashes. He's a really talented and well-groomed batsman. He plays spin better than the other opening options. He's coming back from a paternity leave, so we'll see how he plays here. And from paternity leave, I remember King Kohli. Virat Kohli is coming back and will be playing in India. He hasn't had a century in long time. Another one is Jofra Archer. He has that pace, has that bounce, but will it be enough for India? Because Indian pitches don't provide that. So we'll see how he adapts to the conditions and how he uses the wind to his advantage. And the last one would be Ajinkya Rahane. He has been really much into the news right now because of his brilliant captaincy in Australia. He is now the vice captain. So he'll be supporting Virat Kohli in the leadership as well. And let's see how he does in batting, because he was better captain than a batsman. Now let's see how he primarizes his role as a batsman and just descends his role as a vice captain. Now let's talk about the key battles. Kohli versus Anderson. लंदन से लक्षद्वीप तक, लेहमन से ललित तक, चाहे जहां भी खेल रहे हों ये दोनों प्लेयर्स, थोड़ी तकरार, थोड़ी राइवलरी तो होती ही होती है. क्या जेम्स एंडरसन अपनी स्विंग से विराट कोहली को आउट कर पाएंगे, या विराट कोहली करेंगे बैट को स्विंग और गेंद जाएगी ग्राउंड के बाहर? वो तो हम देखेंगे. अनदर वन वुड बी इंडियाज टॉप बॉलर रविचंद्रन अश्विन, दैट इज टॉप स्पिनर, एंड England's top batsman, that is Joe Root, plays spin really well, but Ashwin is not just a spinner, he plays with minds. अश्विन की ही एक और बल्लेबाज के साथ राइवलरी है, वो है जॉस बटलर. मुझे बताने की ज़रूरत नहीं होगी क्योंकि जॉस बटलर और अश्विन में नोक जोक चलती रहती है आईपीएल में भी. सो वील सी हु टेक्स द अपर हैंड आउट हियर. नाउ आई विल पुट ऑन माई प्रेडिक्शन कैप. Cap Hazir ho! So my prediction cap is on now, and I am predicting India to win this test match. Who are you predicting? Please write down in the comment box, and like, share and do subscribe to my channel. Until next time, thanks for watching.